Unraveling the mystery. To chance your arm. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, to chance your arm. This phrase might sound intriguing, especially if you're learning English and come across it for the first time. It's not about literally taking a chance with your arm, but rather, it's a figure of speech with a unique history and usage. Stay with us as we explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. To chance your arm means to take a risk or attempt something where the outcome is uncertain but you hope to gain. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, trying something that might not work out, but you decide it's worth the risk. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal decisions to professional moves. For example, asking someone out on a date, applying for a job you think you might not get, or starting a new venture. The phrase, to chance your arm, has a fascinating history. It is said to originate from a historical event in Dublin, Ireland, in the 15th century. The story goes that two families, the Ormonds and the Kildares, were in a feud. A member of the Kildare family offered a peace gesture by literally cutting a hole in a door, known as the Door of Reconciliation, and putting his arm through it to shake hands with someone from the Ormond family, risking his arm being cut off. This act of risking his arm to make peace is where the phrase supposedly comes from. It's a vivid example of taking a significant risk in the hope of a positive outcome. Using to chance your arm in conversations adds a colorful, idiomatic expression that enriches your language. It's perfect for situations where you or someone is debating whether to take a risk. Here are a few examples. I wasn't sure if I was qualified enough, but I decided to chance my arm and apply for the job. She knew it was a long shot to get into that university, but she chanced her arm and sent in her application. We weren't sure if the weather would hold up for the outdoor event, but we chanced our arm and went ahead with the planning. To chance your arm is more than just a phrase. It's a lesson in bravery and risk-taking. It teaches us that sometimes, to achieve something great or make a significant change, we must be willing to take risks. We hope this exploration of to chance your arm has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to take chances in your own life. Remember, great rewards often come from taking risks. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more language treasures with you in our next video.